Hello and welcome to SchoolTonic. Through this video we will learn how we can configure the grading system for a school. For this, click on Configuration from the left navigation. From this window, click on Examination Master, followed by Grading System. In order to configure a new grading system, click on New. Alright, so from this window you need to choose the session name, the class name. Say you can choose any of the classes or you can also choose all. If you choose all, then the section name would be appearing as all by default. Choose the exam category and then exam name would also be highlighted as all. If you want to create a different grading system for different classes, then you can choose different classes in different sections too. Alright, so let's create the grading system for all the classes. That means the grading system will be same for all the classes. Here you can put the grade name, then the minimum value and the maximum value. You'll find options like grading type and grading mode. Grading type, if you choose fixed, then you need to put the grades based on the marks, and the grading system would be evaluated on the basis of marks of the student. So let me show you how it works. Let's say A plus, and if a student gets marks between 20 to 25, then his grade would be A plus. In order to configure multiple grading system, click on this symbol, then put the next grade, and say the total marks of a particular exam is 25, and if a student scores between 15 to 20, then the grade would be A. Again, click on this symbol, put the next grade, say B plus, and if the student scores say 10, and this time the maximum value would be 14. Let's put this symbol, this marks as 19. So someone who scores between 10 to 14, the grade would be B plus, and if a child scores between 15 to 19, the grade would be A, and if he scores between 20 to 25, the grade would be A plus. In this way you can go on putting multiple grades, and once done you can click on submit. And now if you choose percentage, then the marks of the student would be evaluated as grading on the basis of percentage. That means all the grades would be evaluated on the basis of the percentage of the marks. So let's put the minimum value like 90 to 100. So whatever is the marks scored by the student, if the percentage calculation falls between 90 and 100, then the grade would be A plus. Next time it would be say 80 to 89.99. to 89.99. The next would be 70 to 79.99. The next grade would be B. This time the minimum value would be 60 to 69.99. Okay, and the next would be, say, C plus. Minimum value would be 50 to 59.99. And then it would be, say, 40 to 49.99. And the last, let's take as D, and the minimum value would be 30 to 39.99. And if you want to delete the grade, you can click on this symbol and the grade would be deleted. Alright, so let's put the grade again. $39.99. Alright, so whatever is the marks of the student, the marks would be evaluated on the basis of percentage, and the grading system of the students would be calculated. Another option you'll find as grading mode. The first one is editable. That is, if the marks of the students would be entered, and accordingly the grades would be evaluated, and from there if you want to change the grade you can do so. And if you choose read only, then in the mark sheet you will not be allowed to edit the grading. Alright, so let's submit. Alright, now you can see that the grades of the classes have been configured. If you want to delete any of the grades, you can select the grade and then click on delete. And if you want to make any changes, you can click on open. Then make the changes here as per your requirement and then click on submit again. Alright, so we have seen how we can configure different grading systems for different classes, and also how we can change and delete the grading system. Thank you very much.